Now it's our pleasure to show you the Valby skid steer winch. And here the operator is pulling. That controls the amount of pressure to the clutch assembly. The operator can stand on either side of the winch to operate the unit at a safe distance away from the cable and logs. When the log makes its way up to the winch, the operator lets go of the rope, and that instantaneously disengages the clutch. The winch comes loaded with 165 feet of 3/8-inch cable and has a pulling capacity of 7,720 pounds. The winch attaches to the skid steer in minutes with its universal quick attach plate. The Valby winch requires a 15-gallon permitted oil flow at 2,000 to 3,000 psi. You can adjust the speed of the Valby winch by varying the RPMs of your skid steer. By slipping the clutch, you can prevent damage to the cable or winch if a tree gets caught on another tree or a root when winching. Clutch heat is transferred to the massive upper sprocket it's mounted to, and that keeps the clutch from overheating. The high entry point of the cable creates a downforce on the unit that really digs it in and keeps the skid steer stable. The Valby winch has a dozer blade that comes in handy when you want to move logs from one area to another, clear a trail in the woods, or even plow snow in the winter. Now, how can you transport the logs once you winch them out of the woods? The logs can be fastened to the dozer blade with skid chains and can then be transported or loaded onto a truck with the skid steer unit. By the way, a larger Valby winch, the model JL501 with a pulling capacity of over 11,000, if even more pulling capacity is required. The Valby skid steer winch is built to last and will work day in and day out for your operation.